Hey Paramount, it's Mr. Waldron again. I'm still at Fairview. I happened to come up to one of our rocks at Fairview, and maybe you can tell by the size of the tree in front of me, but this is a huge boulder, like huge rock that is in the ground but also exposed. It's actually the biggest rock we have at Fairview. It's been nicknamed Grandfather Rock. Not quite sure why. But the thing I wanted to point out about Grandfather Rock is this. We're going to look at this section over here. Now, I'm not going to get any closer because the ground is really grown over here and you never know what's in there. It's a little crazy to get into. But right where I'm pointing right here, do you see that crack, that split? At one point, this was all one rock that was connected. So it's still the same pieces of that section of Grandfather Rock. But what's happened is we're standing on the mountain. We're on the side of it. You might be able to see as I go this way, you can see that the ground goes down, right? And so if you think about Grandfather Rock, who's sitting in this big area as one big rock, over time, as the mountain has slowly kind of crept downhill, and that's what happens. Over time, the Appalachian Mountains are slowly kind of just creeping down. They're actually getting smaller. It's a real slow process. But as this keeps happening, this one big rock, instead of setting flat like this, there's too much pressure. The ground's starting to sink under it. So because of that, gravity kind of snaps this part of the rock off so it can rest on the ground again. And when that happens, we got this crack right here. And if we could lift this rock up and put them together, we would see that they fit perfectly together like puzzle pieces. So sometimes gravity and just the weight of rocks can cause that rock to weather. Remember, weathering means the breaking of or wearing away of rocks.